You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rear step bumper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, front wheel independent suspension, navigation system, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.